How to upload photos to Google Photos. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to upload photos to Google Photo. So in order to do this procedure, you need to go ahead and open up your Google Photos app, and then you need to go ahead and tap on the your initials from the top right and turn on your backup. Once you've done this is going to automatically add or upload photos to your Google Photos from your device. And next thing, what else you can do is here, go ahead and open up your web browser, and on the web address bar type in photos.google.com, sign in into your account. And on this page, what next you need to do is you just have to go ahead and press this upward arrow icon. You can see you could go and import photos from Google Drive, transfer photos from collections, all that selected, and this way you could go ahead and upload photos on Google Photos app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.